A very good morning, children. Warm welcome to the new session. Happy Thursday, all of you. Today is Thursday, means according to the timetable, which subject you have? EVS. Yes. Today the topic subject is about EVS, and the topic is water. And the topic is water. Yes. And today day is Thursday, and the date is 23rd 9 2021. Day is Thursday. 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 D-A-Y. Thursday. And which class are you all, children? Third standard. Okay. Regarding this water lesson, what we have learned? How much water is essential for our life? All the living beings, not only for human beings, all the living beings things on the earth need water to live. Water is one of the basic essential needs, right? Yes. So we need water to live. Yes. How will get rain? Rain is the main source of water. How will get rain? There is a one process that is called water cycle. The definition of water cycle we have learned. Then the three states of water. Water is a gas, water is a liquid, water is a solid. And what is water? Water is a pure transparent liquid. It has no color, no shape and no taste also. Yes. What is the sources of water? Rain is the main source of water. Other sources of water are, yes, well, underground water, right? Then river, lake, pond, sea, ocean. These are the sources of water. Sea is, contains a lot of salt water, so we cannot use sea water for our daily needs. Yes or no? Yes. How we can save our water? That one also we have learned. And how we can keep our water bodies clean? That one also we have learned. Then what type of water we need to drink? Clean, fresh, germs-free water. Dirt-free water we need to drink. How will get germs-free water? By boiling water. How will get dirt-free water? By filtering. Right? Yes. Then how will get clean and fresh water? By filtering and by boiling. By these two methods we get fresh, clean, germs-free, dirt-free water. Okay. Then what are the purpose we need water in our daily life? It seems we have learned. Yes or no, children? Yes, these are the things we have learned under the chapter water. In the previous class we have done some worksheet in your textbook which they have given in your textbook. That one also we have completed. Still some worksheet we need to complete. The activity, textbook activity we need to complete. Before going to do that activity, we just concentrate on the notes of this lesson, children, about the water. Why? I'll tell you, because very soon you have second test, right? Yes, so you have to prepare for the second test. You have, for second test you have this lesson, water lesson, and one more, the judgment of the owl. That is also, that lesson also you have for the second test, and this lesson water, about the lesson water also you have for the second test. So what we have to do? We have to concentrate for the notes of this lesson. Now I am going to give you some keywords and the first main regarding the topic water. Okay. Be ready with your EVS class work and eraser pencil. I hope all are ready. Yes. Okay. Fine. Very soon means when you have, in the next one, second week, you have second test. Okay. For EVS subject, you have two chapters. One is a judgment of the owl. In this lesson, what we have learned? The difference between, similarities between, difference and similarities between living and non-living things. How much they are important in our life? Yes or no? Yes. Some of the natural materials, some of the man-made materials we have learned. To prepare now man-made material, we need natural material, right? Yes. So these are the things we have learned in the chapter, a judgment of the owl. That one. Regarding the topic, I have given all the notes. We have completed notes of lesson regarding the topic judgment of the owl, and about the topic water. Today we are going to start. Okay. Let me start with the notes. First main keywords. Okay. Write down keywords. K-E-Y. Keywords. W-O-R-D-S. Keywords you have to learn, children. It's very important because these words only, which I am going to give you now, right? These words only comes for the main like rearrange the letters and missing letters. So you have to learn each and every spelling of the each and every word. Okay. First word, that is water cycle. W-A-T-E-R, water cycle. C-Y-C-L-E, cycle. Write down water cycle. W-A-T-E-R, water cycle. C-Y-C-L-E, cycle. Second one, source. S-O-U-R-C-E, source. Third one, boiling. B-O-I-L-I-N-G, boiling. Fourth one, are you writing? Water vapor. W-A-T-E-R, water vapor. V-A-P-O-U-R, water vapor. Fifth one, germs. G-E-R-M-S, germs. By boiling water we get germs free water, right? Yes. Germs. G-E-R-M-S, germs. First one water cycle, second one source, third one boiling, fourth one water vapor, fifth one germs, sixth one rain. R-A-I-N. Rain is the main source of water. By rainwater, it's the other water sources gets fills up. Okay. Over. Next, seventh one, polluted. P-O-L-L-U-T-E-D, polluted. P-O-L-L-U-T-E-D, polluted. Eighth one, write down. Underground. U-N-D-E-R-G-R-O-U-N-D, underground. U-N-D-E-R-G-R-O-U-N-D. G-R-O-U-N-D, underground. Over. Next, ninth one, river. R-I-V-E-R, river. River. R-I-V-E-R, river. Tenth one, construction. C-O-N-S-T-R-U-C-T-I-O-N, construction. C-O-N-S-T-R-U-C-T-I-O-N, construction. Say and write, children. Simply don't write. Simply don't copy from the board. Say and write. Try to pronounce. How I'm saying, right? Each and every spelling and each and every word in the same way you have to follow. Okay? Construction. Over. Next, agriculture. A-G-R-I-C-U-L-T-U-R-E. You have to use phonic sounds to pronounce these words, children. Agree. A means A. G. G means G. Re. R-I-re. Agree. Cul. C-U-L. Culture. T-U-R-E. Chur. You have to split the words and you have to try to read the words with the help of phonic. Okay. Simply don't mug up. No use. You cannot learn by mugging up these words. Okay. You have to use phonic sounds to pronounce these words, children. English is very easy actually to pronounce. If you know about the phonic sound, easily you can learn. A means A, G means G, Ra means R, Ri means Re, N means Na, M means Ma, Y means Ya. Okay, if you know L means La, T means Da, T means Ta. If you know these phonic sounds means easily you can read these words. Okay. 12th one, drinking. D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking. Drinking, D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking. Cooking, C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking, C-O-O-K, cook, ing, I-N-G, ing. 14th one, well, W-E-L-L, well. The last one, 15th one, shall I write the last one? Pond, P-O-N-D, pond. Okay, 15 odd words I have given to learn and write. You have to learn, children. Water cycle, source, boiling, water vapor, germs, rain, polluted, underground, river, construction, agriculture, drinking, cooking, well, pond. These are the 15 odd words I have given to learn and write. Okay. Fine. Shall I erase? Now we have to start with the notes. The first one, that is neither the following shall be right. Yes. I hope all are completed all the keywords. First one, write down match. M-A-T-C-H. Match the T-H-E, the following. F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G. Match the following. Over. The first one, filter. F-I-L-T-E-R. Filter. Second one, well. W-E-L-L. Well. Next, third one, gas. G-A-S, gas. F-O-R-M, form of water. W-A-T-E-R, water. Gas, form of water. Filter, well, gas form of water. Next, polluted water. Fifth one, polluted water. Fourth one over. Next, boiling water. Boiling water. W-A-T-E-R, water. Filter, well, gas form of water. Polluted water, boiling water. Keeps the dot like this, children. Both sides. Another side, I am going to write the answers now. We need to match. Okay. First one, water, vapor. Next, kills. First one, water, vapor. Second one, kills, germs. GERMS, germs. Next, the third one, NOT, not, good, GOD, good, for drinking. Not good for drinking. Next, dirt free water. Dirt, DIRT, dirt free water. Next, underground water. Underground water. This side I have written filter, well, gas form of water, polluted water, boiling water. On other side I have written that side water vapor, kills germs, not good for drinking, dirt free water, underground water. Now what we have to do? We have to match. The first one, filter. How we get the clean water, fresh, clean, pure water? By filtering and boiling. In filter water, what we get? Dirt free water. Yes or no, children? Yes. It removes dirt from the water. Filter dirt free water will get. Okay. Well is the underground water. When rain soaks into the ground, it goes to the under the ground, right? Yes. By digging wells and hand pumps, we get underground water. Yes or no? Third one, gas form of water. The state of water, that is water as a gas, right? Yes. If you want to see the gas form of water, boil some water. The water vapors, the gas form of water rising in the air, right? For that, it has a one particular name. That is called water vapor. Gas form of water is a water vapor. Next, polluted water is good for drinking or not good for drinking? It is not good for drinking, right? Yes, not good for drinking. Next, one more method to get clean, fresh, pure water, that is boiling water. Yes or no? Filtered water and boiling water. By filtering, we will get dirt-free water. By boiling, we will get germs-free water. Means boiling water kills the germs. It removes the germs from the water. Yes or no, children? Yes. So, we have done as the following. In the session, what we have written, the keywords. I have given some keywords, 15 keywords. You have to learn all the keywords. Those keywords only comes for the main like missing letter and one more, rearrange the words. Okay. If you learn those keywords means it will be easy for you to attend the fill in the blanks means and true or false. Then it will be easy to read the sentences. Okay, that's the reason I have given 15 hard words. You have to learn, children, all the words regarding the topic water. Okay. In this session we have completed the first main and keywords. In the next session I am going to give you other two mains like true or false and fill in the blanks. Okay. Until that, what you have to do? You have to learn both chapter, two chapter. One is living and non-living things, and the second one is water lesson. Okay. Fine. When you have second test, in the next one, second week. And what are the chapters in EVS subject you have? The judgment of the owl. There's nothing but living and non-living things. Then the lesson water. Clear, children? Okay. We'll meet in the next session. Until then, keep learning. Bye bye, children.